So amazing. I'm quite happy with this. And I'm soaking wet, as you can see. I didn't piss myself, I promise. Hi guys, welcome back. We are at Drummy's Bridge Reserve, one of my favorite local reserves in suburban Melbourne. And we just arrived and I can see a couple of beautiful Australian wood ducks just over there. Hopefully they won't be too skittish and I can capture a couple of shots. The female is on the left side. She's already entered this little paddock. I think he's gonna eventually join the girl. I can see a couple of welcome swallows, really agile, swift species. They are looking for some insects. They like to hunt insects, mosquitoes, and they are extremely fast, so hard to capture. I think I'm gonna go around and then try to get a little bit close to some of these Australian wood ducks that are just resting over there. Try not to really bother them. I want them to stay calm and relaxed. What a beautiful day. The light is really nice, really diffused with all the cloud coverage. Hopefully won't be raining anytime soon and we can grab a couple of decent shots. I can already see plenty of Australian white ibises. They are congregating over in that area where those large eucalyptus trees are. I'm gonna try to be really slow and just approach them very slowly. The exposure settings are gonna be between 320th and 640th of a second. I'm gonna use base ISO and f5.6. I might step down to f7.1 or f8. Oops, don't tell me that I just kneeled down into a big pile of shit. I'm gonna change the focus point to the right side just to have a decent composition. I'm gonna just take a couple steps and then get down again. Maybe I should change the drive mode to silent because this is a little bit too loud. Yep, this should be a bit better. A little bit of eye contact first. That's nice. Switching the autofocus point again. I'm gonna get a bit closer. It's asleep now. So cute. It is so funny. There must be a couple. These should be really nice shots, I think. Hopefully I nail the focus on these. It's nice. I'm gonna try and get a little bit closer again. There's one in between. I want to try and capture the one that's grazing on the left side. I want a little bit of separation between them. It really helps with the composition. Come on. Okay. Maybe that's better. This is just a waiting game. Oh, they're so cute. This one is gorgeous. Such a beautiful species. It really is. Oh, that's so beautiful. The way it's printing, it's so gorgeous. Come on, girl. Do it again. So amazing. I think we've got enough shots. I'm quite happy with this. And I'm soaking wet, as you can see. I didn't piss myself, I promise. God damn it. Let's go. I spotted a little billy wagtail just right in front of that puddle of water. I'm gonna switch to my preset C1 and try to capture some shots. We're shooting at 3200th of a second, f7.1 ISO. I'm gonna bump it up to around 4000. Let's see if that's gonna work. Yep, that should be good enough. It is a tiny little bird and I'm not expecting much. Maybe we're gonna get lucky. This 400mm is not giving me enough reach, unfortunately. It's funny the way it's foraging, making these little hops. I also spotted a small flock of sulphur-crested cockatoos within that enclosure. Unfortunately, the fence is in the way and I don't want to scare them. Just want to be very calm so they don't get startled. I don't want to blow the highlights out, so I'm going to use ISO 160, 640th of a second. I wish I had knee pads and elbow pads. This is so painful. Oh my god. This is why you should subscribe. Oh. I'm just gonna use manual focus because it keeps focusing on the fence. This is what I like about this EF 100 to 400, because you can override the autofocus. Gotta keep changing positions because, that's why it's difficult. They get startled quite easily. There was a little bit of vegetation in front which was distracting, so I tried to get around, but unfortunately it moved. They're foraging like crazy. Ravenous little fellas. Well, not too little. Unreal. What the actual was that? I got so scared.
Hello.
They are now perched on that little tree. Ooh. So cute. You gonna take off, buddy? Huh? Ooh. Too fast. They back focused. It's difficult.
This is probably the best in-flight shot that I got, and I was happy with.
It's nice. Might take off now. I'm gonna wait until this one takes off as well.
I've got two versions of this last in-flight shot. In the last one, I decided to clone out the fence. Let me know what you think.
I think I'm gonna wrap this up for today. I'm really stoked that at least we got two different species captured. Hopefully both the in-flight shots and the low angle shots while they were foraging will turn out nice. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please leave a comment if you like this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and see you guys very soon in my next one.